Babar wandered for days, hoping to find his elephant friends. But never in his wildest dreams was he prepared for what he found.
What is this place? It's beautiful. Oh. What kind of a forest is this? What happened to the grass? Oh, hello?
Oh, what is that? Isn't it?
What fine clothes you're wearing. Amazing.
Oh, red. Oh.
That was good. What's that? Oh, whoa. Hello. Hello. Good morning. How are you? Such fine hats. Hello. Thank you.
Hurry up! It's rush hour! That's why they call it rush hour! I gotta pay for the gas in this thing! Come on
What's this? Ah.
Huh? Hey! Hey, put me down! Oh!
Time for a bath.
Oops.
Don't go too far.
Babar grew bigger and learned to do all the things that elephants do. Life was very good for little Babar.
Hello. Hello. Want to walk with me? Okay. Oh, Arthur! Haha, you can't catch me! Come back here! I got it! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Nice catch. Thanks. Yay! Okay, yeah! Hooray! Yay! Oh. Hello, I'm Celeste. What's your name? Babar. Yeah! Oh!
That's Arthur.
Hi. Whoa. Hello, Celeste. Hello, Arthur.
Want to play with us?
Sure.
Come on, race to the sand pit.
Okay. Hey, come on, wait for me.
Patalini rapata, quamda quamda ripalo. Patalini rapata, pata pata coco co.
I'm flying, just like you. Hey, don't fly away. Come back. Fly with me. Don't stop, Mama. Let's run some more. Mama?
Oh dear, what'll I do? 98? Oh my! $107? He is a big boy. Any particular color you had in mind?
Green would be nice. A becoming shade of green.
Green. Oh, green!
The old lady invited Babar to stay with her as long as he wished.
If I know that I won't need a suit of clothes that comes in tweed, I'm old enough now to be seen in a becoming shade of green.
I know you remember A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Know you remember Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Don't forget the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, finally now.
I can take good care of me. When I was little, I learned to tie my shoes. Now that I'm bigger, it's something I still use. I'm proud of all the things that I can do, but somehow I'm still not so sure why you put your pants on one leg at a time.
I know you remember A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Know you remember Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Don't forget the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, finally now.
I can take good care of me. Life in this city is tougher than I thought. Right here inside me is everything I've got. And what's inside my heart is all that matters after all. 'Cause if I can't be nice, I'm not a gentleman at all.
I know you remember A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Know you remember Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Don't forget the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, finally now.
I can take good care of me.
If I wanted to, I'd entertain tonight. Fork on the left and a little spoon on the right. If everybody wants to know exactly where I've been, I'm stepping out tonight in such a lovely shade of green.
I know you remember A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Know you remember Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Don't forget the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, finally now.
I can take good care of me. I'm telling you, I can take good care of me, oh yeah.